Very morning, very like, very share, very subscribe. Hi, very nice. This is MJ Very from Qatar. Very nice. This is now. Let's go. This is in front of our villa, and then my drive. Yes, we're on the way now. As you see, we live in a company accommodations. All of this villa is a company accommodation. So we have on the way to the gate. This is our gate, and then this is the guard house. So I will through with you on the way in my work. So we are two in the car. So we need to get the other one. So we're on the way now, going to my work. So today is Friday. So here in Qatar, Friday is no work for the government. Friday and Saturday. Hi, very nice. Enjoy the day. I'll show you. We are now in the Madinat Khalifa. My travel going to work is almost 10 to 15 minutes. You know, here in Qatar, we have a lot of plants. Even though this is a desert, Middle East. This is a small restaurant. There is a lot of restaurant here, small restaurant. We have Indian restaurant, Filipino restaurant, what we call that, Turkish restaurant, everything, name it. And then in my accommodations, it's near Macdo. Macdo around, if you do walking, Verinarix is almost 5 minutes only. So it's near. So there is a lot of, restaurant here in my accommodations. Yes, if you want to withdraw, yes, we have the QNB. Also Burger King. It's near in my accommodations. So bus, we have stoplight. Hi Rias, thank you for 2 years as my driver. I'm very safe with my driver. It's almost 2 years. I'm so blessed. So for everyone, Qatar is a very safe country. And then there is a lot of plants here. And then you see the buildings. It's very, very good. And then the structures, the way they built it is very, very good. It's polished, organized. You see, there is a lot of plants here in Qatar. And then the people here is very disciplined in terms of traffic, and then you need to follow the road regulations, because everywhere there is a CCTV. Yes, in the Philippines, Marites ang CCTV, mga guys, mga Verinarix. Ayan. So madaming plants dito. For your information, akala kasi ng iba walang plants here, madami po. Ayan, you see, ang daming mga dates. And it's very, very clean here in Qatar, mga very nice. May stoplight again. Guys, you know, dito sa Qatar, talagang pina-follow nila lahat ng mga rules. Bawal ang walang disiplina dito. Kapag stoplight, gano'n, dapat sinusundan talaga. And then, ang mga daanan dito, guys, mga very narix, maayos po siya. At saka, grabe guys, now, it's parang summer ngayon dito sa Qatar. It's almost 47 degrees Celsius ang init. But thank God, we are not working outside. We're working, in the inside of establishment, and then there is aircon everywhere, so you cannot feel hot, you feel very cold. It's very, very cold. And then other way, so ayan guys, malinis ang daan ngayon dito because it's Friday. And then fuck guys, very nice, bawal magputol ng trees. Kasi ang trees dito, napakahalaga. Kahit damo, mahalaga dito. Alam naman natin guys, na we need to plant trees para lumamig ang mundo. Yan guys, ang sarap papuntang trabaho, hindi ka masyadong malilate. I think almost 10 minutes lang siguro yung yan, ang daming guys. Are you okay, Riyaz? Yes, Riyaz is from India. Driver is very, very nice. Okay. Ang ganda ng mga dinadaanan ko. And then dito sa Qatar, there is a lot of park na pwede po tayong mag-jogging. Yes. And then tignan mo, kahit sobrang init, nabubuhay yung mga halaman kasi nga meron silang patubig, diba, nadidiligan. Sana all. Mga very natin. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo sa aking trabaho. Alam naman natin, no? Kailangan natin kumayon. Yan, this is a park. So madaming nagja-jogging dito every morning. Mga very nice. We need to very, very exercise. Ganda ng park. Pag maaga ko mag-sing, sige mag-jogging tayo, and then I will do the vlogging also. Yes. So again, we have, and guys, ang dami puno. So let's go! We're so lucky. Alam mo guys, at sa taas ng mga gate dito, alam mo yun naman, privatization. Ayan, may nag-exercise doon kung makikita nyo. Ayan, sa taas ng gate dito. Hindi po, very kind. Ang daming plants kanina pa, diba? So, guys, malapit na ako sa ating jury. So, thank you for watching, and then please don't forget to very like, very share, and very subscribe. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Very good morning.